What's the meaning of corresponding angles? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles.
Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are a pair of angles that occupy the same relative position at two different intersections of a transversal and two lines. Specifically, they are located in matching corners when a transversal intersects two parallel lines. Corresponding angles are equal in measure, meaning they have the same degree value. This property is useful in solving problems involving angles and parallel lines, as it allows us to find unknown angles by using the measure of corresponding angles we do know.